Imagine a future where you lounge on a beach without a worry in the world. That's retirement, and it's not as far off as you think. How can you get there? Through 401ks and IRAs. 401ks are employer-sponsored retirement plans. You contribute pre-tax dollars and your employer often matches a portion. The money grows tax-free until retirement, then you pay taxes on withdrawal. IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, come in two flavors, the traditional and Roth. In a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax dollars and pay taxes on withdrawal, just like a 401k. But a Roth IRA, that's a different beast. You contribute post-tax dollars, but then never pay taxes on it again. Both 401ks and IRAs have contribution limits. For 2024, it's $19,500 for a 401k and $6,000 for an IRA. So start now. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Retirement might seem far off, but with 401ks and IRAs, you're planting seeds for a worry-free future. Welcome to Smart Financial Planning.